So we have Shotzi taking on Lash Legend. I did not like how they set up this segment. I did not like how they introduced this match. And I did not like the match. It was basic. It was lame. It wasn't done well. It was so fast, my brain could not theoretically process anything that was going on as it relates to this rivalry. I don't get it. What were you doing here? If this is how you reintroduce Shotzi into the NXT crowd, what's going on? And I gave Lash Legend a lot of credit in the past because I thought that she was improving. That was quickly squandered with this match. My praise and I'm like, okay, let's see where this goes. That was gone at this match. And it's unfortunate because you have that athleticism. And I don't know where in translation this was lost, but it was. It was a never wake up for Shotzi to pick up the victory. This gets a thumbs down from me. I can't put my heart into it to really truly give it 2 thumbs down because it did not take enough time for me to truly process how necessarily bad this rivalry was going to be. At least they ended it quickly. That's the best thing I could say about it. At least they ended it quickly.